Usually Black on Box ng Luna. So can you just tell us about this Barbies? Is a collaboration? What is this thing we're looking at? It's exciting.
Yeah, I think the first product that came in mind when I thought of starting the Barbie na with was supposed to be our first identifier, which are the dogs, discovery dogs. And yung nailalabas namin for now.
So is this a collection, collaboration? What is it?
Good question.
The first release of collection of the dogs. This is the Luna Export.
Oh.
Ito muna.
Okay.
One of the many collections that will be releasing under Barbie X Luna for the next 3 years.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
3 years? Did you say 3 years?
7.
Thank you, Ms. Ana Cerezo of ABS-CBN. Now we may call in Ms. Natalie Dumada from Philippine Star.
My question is, how long is this partnership or collaboration with Barbie? And also, why Barbie?
Alright, medyo deep and meaningful sa amin naman kasi it relates to our motto. It's about time to give yourself what you deserve. Barbie, they reached out to me 5 years ago. 5 years ago, si Luna, wala pa siyang funds, wala pa siya pang Barbie. And then, it just so happened that about a year ago, they reached out again with this partnership. And then, yun na, sabi ko parang right time, perfect timing, you know what that is. So yeah, we grabbed the opportunity to secure the license. We're going to be having it for 3 years, and we're going to be launching in several campaigns.
So eventually, parang after this drop, so parang you will be 9. You will be 9 by next.
Naman.
Okay.
Yes, we'll be releasing different kinds of Barbie collection. So, but right now, we just first collection is this trunk.
And mahal ba daw yung getting the license? How expensive? Kasi you said wala pa kayong funds,
5 years
di
na
ba?
namin kunan.
Oh.
Nung
Talaga.
talaga.
Pero, I think pinakamahal yung mga campaigns. Personally. Because we're going to be having several celebrities on the partners.
Oh, okay. So Ivana will just be the first.
Ivana is our Barbie, our modern day Barbie. And then there will be several versions of Barbie that will be used. Embodying the different the individualities of
Barbie.
us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Natalie. Now from Abante, Mr. Jun Ladin is here to ask you some questions, guys.
Thank you. Gusto ko gawin ng exciting bagay. Sasalita na ako sumisingin na siya. Na-heard ko kasi siya. Ang pangalan niya is Bobby Ricky. Manilo ka Ricky. Hindi, nag-joke lang ako. Baka na seryoso. Kasi parang serious yung mga mukha niya. Pero, yeah. Okay, syempre, Ivana's part of the company, right?
Yeah, Ivana, my first franchise. She's the one yung franchise.
Okay. So,
siya yung pinakaguna ko ng franchise. Nakaguna.
Pero, why, parang Barbie? Parang Barbie yung promotion dun sa kanya?
Sorry, hindi
Yes.
namin marinig yung mga...
Okay, naririnig niyo na po. Ayan, yeah, okay. Bakit daw po mga Barbie si Ivana sa campaign na to? Ayan, hopefully naririnig niyo talaga.
Ayan. Pero what's the question?
Yeah, ay, hindi niyo pa rin narinig, my God. Sabi ko, bakit parang mga Barbie po yung concept ng pagpo-promote niyo kay Ivana? Yeah. endorsement niya.
Yeah, for me, I think Ivana is the perfect na mag-lead sa Barbie campaign because, you know, Barbie's essence is like, you know, you can become anything you want. So parang for me, Ivana embodies it perfectly. Because as a teamer, diba, parang ang dami yan ang she's kaya niya gawin lahat. More than just being a celebrity, a blogger, businesswoman, lahat.
Yeah, it's so nice. Yeah. Okay, sabi niyo siya yung first franchise po, no? Nag-franchise po. Okay. Nagulat kayo. Magkakilala na kayo before she inquired about yung
Franchise.
Pagpa-franchise po.
Yeah, we've known each other for 3 years before the franchise. Kasi siya yung pinakaunang endorse na kinuha.
Okay. So, meaning, naniniwala siya na very effective yung product nyo for her na para mag-franchise, di ba?
Sorry sir.
Ano kaya nangyayari? Parang hindi nyo naririnig.
No, because the feedback is too strong, so he can barely hear it. So basically, the answer to your question is it started a long time ago during the pandemic. While Luna starting online as well, Ivana started her blogging, and then the partnership went wild. So parang sabi nga parang iba yung charisma na dala ni Ivana for the company. She's our first endorser, and since she loves the jewelry line and diamonds, so she franchised herself personally.
It's so nice, no?
Yeah.
Diba? Ibig talagang sabihin na naniniwala siya with the product.
Right.
For her na maging mag-franchise. Hindi na, these guys,
The box is actually, it's a very exclusive design. Because normally you have your typical jewelry boxes. And so we're offering the trunks to make it more exclusive for you. You can carry your jewelry in it, and it's more stylish for you. You know, it adds to another level of your purchase. Also, I wanted to add a while ago that we picked Ivana because, like anybody, Barbie can be anybody, diba? So Ivana has evolved herself in so many levels. She is a social media star. She is an actress. She has taken on commercials, and so she is really the perfect embodiment of Barbie. And I just wanted to summarize for what's your take. Thank you.
And feeling ko sa sinabi niyo, Miss
Francesca.
Feeling ko sa sinabi niyo, si Ivana ang one and only choice niyo.
Marami.
No.
Anybody naman can be Barbie, but syempre she's
Hindi,
going
kayo
to...
po. Sabi kayo po.
Syempre for now, yes, you will.
Bias ako kay Ivana. Bias, but yeah, I think Ivana can lead the whole campaign.
Anyone wants to answer? Dustin mentioned modern day Barbie. So could you define now what is a modern day Barbie? What is it? Or yung, ano ba yung style ng collection na to? Modern day Barbie. Thank you.
Okay, so I've seen the initial collection. Boss, is that okay to say? I've seen the initial collection that's being approved or we're seeking approval for, and it's very dainty and very feminine. So that's how the collection is going to be: very playful, feminine, and dainty. It's different from other collections that we have or existing. They're very heavy on the diamonds and all that. This one will have lots of color and stuff. So pwede na ba yun sabihin? So basically that's that. That's going to be the whole collection of Barbie. Did I answer correctly? Okay, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
And then, how affordable is this collection?
Unahan ko na sila. Unahan ko na sila. Wala pa siya dito. But we're gonna be having like 8 celebrities on this campaign. Each celebrity would be having their own line with under Luna. And yeah, we'd like to reach talaga everyone. So the price range would range in kaya ng lahat.
Which is how much?
The lowest could run around 300 pesos. With the full warranty experience, UNESCO experience.
Okay. Gaano katagal yung partnership ninyo with Ivana?
Ivana, safe to say, since usapan namin, well, she owns Luna, parang pinendorse pa na sa amin.
So yung Cebu branch, tuloy-tuloy yung ano?
Yeah, tuloy-tuloy.
Walang kontrata kung kailan mag-i-end or what?
Not really, because right now, we're opening a second branch in Cebu. So, most likely, tuloy-tuloy.
But in the future, we will be expecting more celebrities to endorse Barbie.
Yes, yes, there's a lot. Actually, we already shot 2 campaigns. Pero hindi pa namin.
Para lang ba ito sa mga single ladies? Para lang ba sa mga single na babae ito? Yung campaign ng Barbie?
No, for me, no. Kasi pwede siya for everyone. Especially ako, ma'am, na tapos yung mga single, syempre hindi pwede maging unfair tayo na forget serve dapat pang single lang kasi Barbie, di ba? So, pwede siya for everyone.
Pwede din sa mga fake affair.
Ay, of course. Sa mga retro hair, ganyan. Flora.
Yun na. Okay, thank you, and congratulations.
Live, di ba? Na launch mo. She going to be part of the Barbie.
Si Blay? Andrea?
Let me take the question. Yes.
Sabi nga yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Kasi obvious naman. All the Luna women part. But marami pa hindi na.
To clarify lang, these trunks can be purchased even without buying jewelry.
Yes.
First series will be the trunks. It will be starting tomorrow actually, pwede na siya i-pre-order sa website and the stores. But the official release of the whole Barbie campaign will be on October 8 on our 7th anniversary.
October 7th anniversary.
So, kung merong Barbie, meron di bang Ken? Something.
Meron.
Meron.
Yes, meron. Waiting na lang kami.
Confirmation.
So, ilo-launch na namin yun.
Hindi naman si Ken.
Kung sino yung mapili Ken. Pwede ibang bansa.
So, Korean?
Korean. Secret mo na yun. Abangan nyo na lang yung surprise namin for Ken.
Paano siya pinili?
Or paano pipiliin si Ken?
Paano pipiliin si Ken? Siyempre, depende. Gusto nyo. Kung match siya talaga for Ken, siyempre.
Clue. Kahit clue. Ang nationality.
Sorry, can I answer that?
Yes, go.
Okay, so nationality, he's also Filipino. You're asking for clue, nasuot niya na po at na-represent niya na ang Luna before. So hanggang doon lang siguro hindi ko sabihin, baka na lang tayo. Yes. Maybe.
Okay, what would you say yung similar qualities ni Barbie and the Ivana? In line with the campaign, ng qualities ni Barbie and the Ivana.
From Inquirer, Mr. Alan Policarpio.
Yes.
Waiting for the spicy questions as well.
Tanong ko lang po, yung mga Barbie themed na products, parang sa mga accessories lang ba siya or the actual jewelry pieces themselves, parang may ano rin siya, parang Barbie inspired lang siya.
Yeah, actually our collaboration with them are jewelry lines.
Pwedeng makwento po yung paano naging negotiation? How difficult was it? Gaano katagal naging usapan with
Mattel.
With Barbie?
The process of the collaboration with Barbie. Sobrang stick sila. Barbie Mattel. So the process of actually this stand the photograph that dumaan niya ng 2 months before we get
2 months.
So the whole collection talaga medyo matagal yung process na yun. Especially in the jewelry line. So we really thought of pursuing the trunks first, the packaging. So with showcase na kahit packaging lang siya ng jewelry namin, it's gonna be something at par international.
And lumipad pa po ba kayo sa US, sa Mattel offices for that?
No. We have a contact with Southeast Asia. So we didn't have to like in Florida.
And they had to also personally approve paano ba? Maski sila kailangan approve din sa kanila.
Yeah. The process, kailangan niya sasabit kami, then we then pag may revision, ibabalik sa amin, tapos we're gonna resubmit until may panel approval.
Celebrities as CEOs for the company?
No, actually that part. Since we really want to empower them, especially Ivana and Rabia. Actually, Rabia is our matagal na. So, nag-message sa akin, sabi niya, I want to be with the business, with BTG, they want to be there. Sabi ko, go, sige. You can have this position, since we're expanding a lot, we will be expanding nationwide. Kailangan namin ng maraming tao na. So, I told the Pia na, go, sige, if you want this position. Alright, at BTG. With Ivana, Cebu, since sa kanya Cebu, parang may Cebu, sa kanya Cebu. So, just to have more reach and to inspire more women to be leaders of the business.
But can it be felt already? Kumbaga, meron ba kayong quantitative measure, kumbaga, kung how much that brings into the table in terms of yun nga po, yung pag-expand, pag-grow. That's why specifically the Rabia in Cavite, Ivana in Cebu, so on and so forth.
Sorry, what's the question?
Do you have numbers to back up the decisions made by the company to get them to be CEOs in certain regions?
You know, the process of being a CEO is not about the money. Kasi you can start your own company kahit magkano capital. So to answer that question, you don't really have that amount to say. But their plan is to, like, examples, just to open another branch. And then, yes, opening the second branch and then formalizing it and putting up a company.
Gotcha. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You want to utilize a brand, you can be anything. But also in the dark, you can portray yourself into anything. Mas ang diamonds, mas nag-shine pag madilim. So black for me, Luna, it's a canvas.
A canvas.
And so, yeah.
And to incorporate that with Barbie now.
So right now, yeah, pink.
Yeah.
With regards to the design, definitely Barbie has its own designs and colors. We will align our branding to Barbie. Let's say, for example, we're gonna put a pink diamonds. We're gonna release jewelry lines, color pink. Those accessories that we grew up on when we were young, that we put on Barbie, myself, but it's gonna be this. It's gonna be curly, pink. So it's gonna be different from Luna right now because it's all black and diamonds. So this is also an opportunity for us to showcase our skills and capabilities in designing a product.
So yung again, the youthful
Yes.
Something useful. And then, yes.
Well, there's a lot of collaborations between Barbies and another store. So
But jewelry per se.
the jewelry per se, I think there are some, but not really familiar.
Because it might just give us an idea also of what the possibilities are.
Right.
There have been before. So, yun po. And then, well, a couple of weeks ago, diba, we launched the Queen of Gen Z. And of course, she's really the most young, siguro by age, technically, among all of the beautiful brand ambassadors. Si Andrea Brilliant. Her name is also perfect, diba, for the times. I was just wondering, although of course Ivana is also a beautiful ambassador, hindi ba bumagay kay Andrea siya yung mauna muna na mag-Barbie? Because she was so pink on the day of her launch. Di ba? Siya yung pink na pink.
Yeah. So, sorry. If I got the question right,